we go up here or up there maybe? Because we already...
we'll go up here. Try not to get it totally wet.
Yeah. Do your best. It's so pretty.
So pretty.
God, it's so fast. I love it. It looks insane coming at us.
Yeah, this thing has a 50-mile-an-hour top speed, or at least that's what the app was telling me.
Oh, really? Oh! Go!
I need some hooks.
Seas under.
There, I don't feel like we really found any good.
Oops. Some big whoopsies.
We need like.
We need to just take that Yamaha and build a course.
Yeah. Let's try going back.
Over that way.
Yeah, it's like even the littlest like. I love that this thing has a spool in the rear end.
Yeah.
Too. So it gets
Give it some nice.
station. One thing I have noticed with this thing though is like the suspension's like so dialed that if you get a bunch of mud accumulating in the chassis, it just sits like out. It doesn't have any extra to give.
Maybe if we go around there, we can go up there.
Yeah.
That looks like kind of bumpy. Oh, that's softer than I was hoping. We can also try that grass over there too, or this like dirt here. Yeah, there's some like ruts up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. I'm happy with this. Alright, so we're back. My battery died and I didn't realize it, but Elvin joined us. I don't know what point it died, but Elvin joined us. He's gonna drive Nick's Slash for a bit. And we're gonna continue on. This is gonna be a long bash video.
We'll probably be able to break
We might be able to break it up like with a UDR separately. Oh no, not the water. Oh, thank God. That was scary. Oh, that was beautiful. Try mine.
Weird, like big bumps.
It's like impressively smooth. I'm stoked on how it's driving now. Suspension? I have to look up the rates again. It's the GTRs. I mean, yeah, obviously it's the GTRs. This isn't VGs anymore. I changed it to Traxxas. No, it is. I'm wrong. That was the...
It's the VGs?
Yeah, this is the VGs with GTRs, and I just did adjust the roll center adjustments from the links and then the droop and stuff. I forgot. I was gonna switch it off.
60 weight?
I'm down to 40. 40 or 30. It might be 30. I think it's 40.
Oh no!
Oh man, that's so muddy.
No!
No, it's already... Oh, I'm going fishing.
Oh God.
I'm really going fishing. You wanna go fishing? Okay, there it is. Oh, the crunching of a dead body.
You go back up there to like the platform.
Where? We moved over here because there wasn't a ton of terrain, but we can move wherever. Yeah.
For you, so he doesn't
Go swimming?
worry about going in the water. Does that seem pretty dry to the right?
The dirt? I don't know. Damn. Yeah, I'm stoked with how my 4x4 is driving finally. Yeah. I forgot how crazy yours sounds.
Yeah. I still didn't rebuild the motor yet. Probably. Nah, this my 4x4 is like pretty much indestructible. It's got all the upgrade durability stuff. I would go up like that hard.
That's just because of the steel spur, right?
Yeah. It's the motor shaft has play in it, so I bet that's making it a little louder. But yeah, it's because it's steel on steel now.
Yeah.
There's no more plastic to use anyway.
Sorry. Oh no. Yes. I wonder if high center Nerf bars would work on a nitro. High center.
Oh.
4x4. Because the ones we were messing with were most center 4x4 ones. And that looks like it might be sucked up more. We'll experiment. It does kind of rest up on top. Yeah. Oof. Great. Can't see it now. It doesn't work if I... What? I was trying to read my phone without it being on the camera. It's not there yet. I don't have it. Oh, I think... This is a test of your this is a test of your depth perception. Hey. Hey. Beautiful. Oh, yes.
No.
I got you.
Yeah, you do. Oh.
Oh. God damn. I'm clearing out all the rocks and that one just appears.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, that's good. Oh, sorry. Oh. Yeah, I'll get it. Yeah, you are.
Power.
Oh, that was a lot of water. You switching on 4S?
Yeah. My 3S pack's bad.
That's pretty good run time.
Yeah, right? Way more than I was expecting.
You saved the best for last, so you got the afterburners.
No, what?
You saved the best for last, you got the afterburners on now. With 4S, that shit's gonna rip harder.
Well,
No, it was 6S.
Oh.
Yeah.
But spitting rocks everywhere is so fun.
I love like all the dust and rock and
Oh. I love this little circuit. Yeah, dude, you gotta come to our like the home track spot we go to. You would have so much fun there with a Slash.
Is that the video I seen yesterday on the little narrow?
the canyons.
Valley?
That's nearby, but no, what Alex is talking about is it's a bicycle like so it's just a racing track with all these little jumps. So we just run little circuits. It's so fun.
Yeah. I hope that doesn't change when you fix the motor. Oh wait, Patrick, what happened with the two-wheel? What happened with the two-wheel?
I just put it back.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to keep it lazy.
Yeah? Are you?
I really want to be jumping it too much until we got the battery like.
Yeah, that's true. I forgot about the battery. Ah, I'm low voltage. I was gonna ask you to bring one, then I was like, it'll be fine for a little longer.
Well, you were right.
Oh yeah. Ah. I made it really tight so it wouldn't come off. But that looks like very tight. It's not gonna. Yep. Wet. Wet.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Party foul. I didn't realize that spray all in your face.
Yeah. We all learned that at some point. Ready to get a UDR yet, Patrick? 10% off.
You know, the fact that, knock on wood, this has been more reliable than your LMT.
Oh, I would say it's better than the LMT. But I also don't do as stupid shit with this as I do with the LMT either, so.
That's fair, but I know somebody that probably would. The battery's been going a pretty good length of time too.
I changed the batteries. I don't know if you saw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you can clear, because there's basically two jumps here. So if you can hit and then land on that.
And I hit it once.
Yeah.
I hit it once, it looks so clean.
Yeah, you can walk over that gravel mound. That usually works pretty okay.
Yeah. You could have just dusted it if you want.
No.
No. Great. Ah, sorry. We're unearthing them.
Estimate how deep this is gonna be.
Oh god.
That is deep.
That's pretty deep. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Sorry. God, it's so muddy. Ah, not the water. Elvin, now's the time for you to get a slash. The store has 10% off everything right now. Wonder if Traxxas still has that slash sale going on too. Oh. Oh! Yeah, I'm gonna not launch this into the water.
I think it does way so much
want to finally have a figure eight where we can get up that second little jump.
Yeah. So what I was able to do was like, I was running a reverse, where I would go up here, figure eight, around here. Figure eight there. Basically, oh, not that. Yeah, you got the other idea. Oh yeah. Play one of those Hot Wheels tracks. Like,
Not in the water. The rut. That's how you become the accident. Sorry. You're in low voltage? Me too.
oh, really?
I don't know.
Oh.
But I sure am.
Drive on the pavement, let it dry off. So muddy.
Drive to the water first.
I feel like that hasn't helped ease the time that I've done. Old beach.
Yeah. Son of a beach. Oh. Yep. Clean.
Okay. I don't think it worked the same. Not happy. Berries are not happy.
You're right. So much dirt in my shoes. That's the sound of a Traxxas thing. Oh! Ah, I hate it.
Oh, we fixed it. We're good.
You know what I'm not looking forward to cleaning?
Yes.
All of this.
Everything.
When the ground's cleaner than your hands, somehow.